Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East rejects bail plea of the President of UNC Gaidon Kamai and Information Secretary S.K. Stephen sent to 10 days police remand. PDF will cease work from 5th of January, blames government for not providing them their honorarium. And Kongjom Bedal Memorial Committee, Manipur condemns the Chief Minister Okram Ibobi for concealing files of the controversial date of Kongjom War. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam bringing you the top stories. Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East has rejected a bail plea of the President of United Naga Council, UNC, Gaidon Kamai, and Information Secretary S.K. Stephen. Tadubi Police Station has formally arrested them. After they were produced before the court today, it was learned from them that the burning of a truck on Ziri Road was carried out by the UNC volunteers. The prosecution's counsel asked the court for a remand of the UNC leaders to judicial custody as the economic blockade imposed by UNC has caused immense hardships to the people of Manipur and caused communal disharmony. Defense argued that violence during economic blockade cannot be related to Gaidon and Stephen, although they are leaders of UNC. The defense also argued that the case is bailable and asked for a bail. Gaidon pleaded to the judge for a bail. He said while in jail, he had written letters to the church leaders and UNC to bring an end to the economic blockade. He told the judge that decisions have been made by UNC while they were in jail. He requested the judge to bail him in order for him to meet with the Nagas and discuss about the issue. After listening to both the sides, when the judge was about to remand the UNC leaders to a 15-day judicial custody, there were requests for a formal arrest of the leaders from the Tadubi police station in connection to the truck damage case. After hearing the request, the judge had remanded the two UNC leaders to a 10-day police remand for an interrogation. Village Defense Force VDF personnel will cease their work including general elections and ROP duty for economic blockade from 5th of January in protest against the government for not giving out their honorarium. Speaking to the media persons at Manipur Press Club today, All Manipur VDF Welfare Association's President Laishram Devan said they will cease their economic blockade, ROP and general election duty. He said the BDF personnel are working at par with the police commando, yet the biased government fails to give equal treatment. He further said they have been protesting since 2011 for their honorarium. Devan also threatened a mass resignation by the BDF personnel of Manipur if their demands are not met.
Tang mga sidagi dia koi sumba arapa koi ki ROP koi ki BDF na kainoda noneda adegi jirida adegi maud satpasi tangma da yaujaro 2017 gi general election sidaida khoi gi ngasi bok ta khoina jiget issue pibi wana sakada kaya hanjal hanjal se thadna demand ma'am tawre ngasi bok khoi da issue phangbi wa laiti akhoi gi pikraba torop rupa lising mari khak phangwase na angang nubi emission tawna bahona ba adegi fi thina bahona ba da khoi awaba moraga police na tawba adai IRB na tawba degi adana hena khoi BDF na hena sineba Manipur government na khoi da khoi BDF sing sida yengbi ba miyeng si karma miyeng no haibasi wakhan yam no aitaba swaina khoi Manipur government da hangningi.
Kongjom Bedal Memorial Committee, Manipur has condemned the Chief Minister Okram Ibobi for concealing files of the controversial date of Kongjom War. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary of the committee Chingtam Luang said Kongjom Day, which is observed on the 23rd April every year by the state government at Wangjing Kebaching, is inaccurate. He said the accurate date is the 25th of April at Dingol Lampak of Kongjom. The committee had submitted an application to the Governor of Manipur on 19 September 2012 to resolve the controversy about the exact date of Kongjom War. Accordingly, a file was sent to the Chief Minister for the approval of formation of a review committee of experts to find the exact date. Chingtam Luang said the committee did not get an appointment with the Chief Minister till now. He said the committee will inform the governor about the issue if there are no actions from the government.
Puari ki asengba mapam matam ama semdok ningbagi spirit to di ekoi lejabanina achumba potu ekoi phangaga potu changjalak pot oibanina honorable chief minister na file sin namsen dana ekoi ka khathang tahandana thame haiba warol yauna ekoi honorable governor da chungsoi soidana khangan jaragani.
State General Secretary Administration of BJP Manipur Pradesh and MLA of Thongju, Thongam Biswajit, has stated the party has a concrete plan to tackle the economic blockade issue. In an exclusive interview to All India Radio, Biswajit further said that the central leader has clearly clarified on the 12th December last month that the economic blockade is against the Indian Constitution. He said no Congress leaders has ever made this bold statement. Biswajit said the state government has borrowed about 300 crores from different financial institutions. He questioned as to how the government plans to pay salaries to the newly recruited staff in various departments. President of All India Students Federation AISF Manipur State Unit, Nongthongbam Sanahal, has stated that an awareness campaign will be carried out against corruption as a beginning of the new year. Addressing media at Manipur Press Club, he said the campaign will be carried out jointly by AISF and Socialist Students Union Manipur SSUM. The campaign, which will be carried out under the theme Students of the Year Against Corruption, will check corruption in government institutions, and awareness campaigns will be held for students and teachers in various constituencies. Sanahal further said they will look into upgrading government primary and higher secondary schools. While greeting the students of Manipur on the occasion of New Year, he appealed them to take part in the campaign.
2017 lakpusida no sahi singida satra singida wis pijari loinana AISF na amde susumna tawgadaba thabak sermo sing mayamda koi declare to bode 2017 na ji student of the year against the corruption haiba sigi thimse sanction jagani loinana koi hojik government school singi satra singi school sing sidharei ba se matau karamna kamai to phagal lakadage loinana sigi campaign ama koi kendra singam di mass media wana phajana sigi campaign ama sanction jagani aduna loinana masidai sida oja singam di guardian singna ju sahayog pibi gani ana AISF jeng songi maikai degi ju thajaba thamjari.
Evening dailies, Kanglei Kimaira observed its 34th Foundation Day today. As part of the event, winter clothes and other winter essentials were distributed to an old-age home at Mongshankai, Makhalaikai. Later, stationery items and other edibles items were also distributed to BB Paul Mental Retarded Home at Mongshankai. Speaking on the occasion, Joint Editor of Kanglei Kimaira, Dhamen Wangkimcha, said, as a goodwill gesture for the support they have received from the public, the management has donated these to the poor and needy. He further wished for Kanglei Kimaira to be in public service for a long time.
Kuntramirishwa mapokun pa lakwan sida Kanglei Kimaira ge editorial board ke maikai degi Mongshangai Makhalaikai de leiba oles form da amasung sida Mongshangai de leiba BP Paul Mental Retarded Home da Kanglei Kimaira ge maikai degi kumol pal siga mai rena angam khradang mateng pijabani aduga haiba Kanglei Kimaira function se apung phana pangthop ngam hodre sandak chahi oina lakadoi ba in this month simanunga yam thuna akhoi prize distribution chingba award lokthop aduga magi function do khoi mainly pangthok na bi thorang tawjari.
Petrol price has gone up by 1 rupee 29 paise and diesel by 97 paise per litre. The new prices came into effect midnight last night. With this, petrol will now cost 68 rupees 61 paise a litre, and for diesel, the consumer will have to pay 56 rupees 28 paise per litre in Imphal. In a statement, Indian Oil Corporation said the upward revision of the price was necessitated due to the increase in international prices of petrol and diesel and rupee-dollar exchange rate. Time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned.
Yumanungi application ki mapung fava solution period Durasign G6 seasonabiu. Durasign asit Tata BlueScope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki kudong chaba sing di yumanungi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yang faklang kupnaba. Yan thaba siling amasung faklang khaidok na bagi irai live solution pi. Panel sing ado phaiba amadi chap yung gamai kai install to bayai. Durasign Tata BlueScope Steel. Tata Shakti J66 Sizinabiu. Government piba guideline gi matung inna chap chana quality control torba Tata Shakti gi product ni. Tata Shakti gi product sing state asigi district khudimuk gi retail outlet sing da pangbigani. Tata Shakti.
Angels Coaching Center, Uripok Polemlaikai, Imphal. Admission starts for Class 10 Revision and Class 1 to 10 Foundation. Our achievements: 11 position holders in 2013, 2014 and 2015, 20 position holders in 2016 including first positioner.
There is an unparalleled coaching center in Manipur. I see success in Angel Coaching Yarn Body. Sunga number I see success in
Sunflower Play School Chimanong Konani Kara, Emerson open for 2017 for daycare, pre-nursery, nursery KG, monthly fee for daycare rupees 550 per month, monthly fee for pre-nursery, nursery rupees 400 per month, monthly fee pre-nursery, nursery plus daycare rupees 600 per month. CCTV camera operation in all the rooms. Post vacancy 2 teacher, 1 mother. Date of interview 9 January 2017. Section start from 6 February 2017. Van service available.
Fangbiragani. Lakadoriba imoinu imagi ira thaunida tangai fadana changadoraba angauba nga pengba amadi ngaton ngasimak order tobihau pengba amadi ngaton gidamak akaknaba stock ni Fangfam S Tomba and Sons Pengba Farm Hyangthang.
Touch the pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in education.
My mother had a cardiac arrest. We lost hope because we have visited so many hospitals and they were unable to help us. Thankfully, Sky Hospital came to our rescue by not only saving the life of my mother, but also giving her utmost care with the help of ventilator support by Dr. Shyam Kishore and his team of expert doctor and nurses. They were able to help her gain consciousness and now she is improving. So I'd like to thank Dr. Shyam Kishore and the entire staff of Sky Hospital.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. District Magistrate Kangpokpi has imposed CRPC Section 144, Subsection 2 with effect from 31st of December 2016 until further notice. In his order, the District Magistrate said the order shall not apply to government agencies involved in enforcement of law and order, other essential services and accredited media persons. The Kuki National Liberation Front KNLF warned of the Kuki armed outfit under Kuki National Organization KNO umbrella ceased to exist following its merger to United Kuki Liberation Front UKLF. Speaking to media persons on Sunday at Nazaret Camp, a designated camp of UKLF in Chandel District, KNLF Chairman Henlun Haukip said KNLF KNO was a merger to United Kuki Liberation Front and ceased to exist any longer. All the cadres of the organization will be absorbed into UKLF and will be accommodated at the designated camp of UKLF. As such, no individual is allowed to collect taxes or issue any press statement in the name of KNLF KNO, he added, asserting the reason for the merger. KNLF KNO's chief further maintained that the decision was taken for peace in the interest of Kuki Nation and to stop fratricide killing in the region. Existing of several armed groups does not lead to factional killing but also creates a lot of difficulties to the general public. So it is time for all armed groups to unite and work together to achieve our political goal, said the chairman. It may be mentioned that KNLF, KNO and UKLF, UPF are both a signatory of tripartite suspension of operation agreement with the state and central government.
KNLF chairman Thadolaga UKLF da sangna khare malral to khare maramdi lamda nuaina hanna ba khonna ba leitana ba pan ma jana na ba isana jairaga changjarabani hidagi kenela beginning da kana mata nasu chin khaiwa tax khoma jarroi.
Badrur Rahman will be the Adaksha of Imphal East District Zilla Parishad. As per an order of the court on the 20th of December 2016, Deputy Commissioner of Imphal East District, Ningthaucham Geoffrey, made the official announcement today. He also announced various members of the district.
Ekoi ngasi mi tratruk ni present orisi ngasi gin meeting sida aduga mi mapan na aingon da piraga aibu adaksha ohelakpani tare na porjina phanghoraga adu Hujik Adaksa Oram Matunda Ain Hijaga Bible, Equigi Awaba, Nasinubitigi, Equina Wazaruba, Tamangagito, saying na Equina Chum the Chatubagi, Isona Chan Bibini, Alan Chan Bibani, Aduka Makata, Nasu Equi Lana Hotozeroi, Pazana Piriba, Sendumacase, Prazada, Yohanabadum, I Honani.
The Election Commission is likely to announce a poll schedule for the general election to the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly shortly. In a press release, Chief Electoral Officer Manipur Vivek Devagan has asked all intending candidates, political parties, state government, etc. to comply with the Model Code of Conduct with effect from the date of announcement. Over 26 crore accounts have been opened under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana across the country till date. The scheme was launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in August 2014 with the objective of covering all households with at least one bank account. According to latest data released by Finance Ministry, 26 crore 3 lakh accounts have been opened under the scheme. Of the total, nearly 16 crore accounts are in rural areas and more than 10 crore in urban. Over 71,500 crore rupees have been deposited in these accounts and zero balance accounts has come down to nearly 24%. Around 20 crore rupee debit cards have also been issued under the scheme. More than 44 lakh accounts were allowed overdraft facility as on 23rd of last month and nearly 24 lakh accounts holder availed overdraft facility. In Uttar Pradesh, Mulayam Singh Yadav has postponed to January 5th emergency convention called by him yesterday. No fresh date has been announced for the convention. Giving this information through a tweet message, senior party leader Shivpal Singh Yadav also called upon the candidates given ticket and all the workers of Samajwadi Party to go into their respective areas and work hard to win the election. Sources said that Mulayam Singh is leaving for Delhi today to meet the election commission in order to claim that he is the president of Samajwadi Party. As per sources close to CM, Akhilesh has called a meeting of all party MLAs, MLCs and leaders at his residence. It will be the first meeting of Akhilesh Yadav with his follower leaders after he was appointed national president of the party yesterday. More events may unfold today as thousands of Akhilesh followers have already accumulated in front of party headquarters and chief minister official residence. Now to sports news. India's premier tennis event Chennai Open begins today, and this year in the singles event, 3 Indians are in the main draw. Saket Mayani, country's highest ranked singles player Ramkumar Ramanathan and Yuki Bhamri are all in fray, whereas 192nd ranked Saket will be playing against 7th seed Russian Mikhail Yochu, ranked 57th in the first round. Besides them, 6th ranked Croatian Milos Raonic is the top seed after the defending and 3-time champion Stanislas Wawrinka gave the tournament a miss. Raonic has won the title 2 times earlier. In doubles men draw, besides 3rd seeded Leander Paes along with his Brazilian partner Andressa, 4 Indian pairs are also competing. Kurai Polo Club in Nongchop Pana Sangol Kangjay Lubbi Langjing has entered the semi-finals of the 4th running trophy state level open polo tournament. In a 3rd quarter-final match played today, Kurai Polo Club beat Manipur Police Sporting Club Team A 4-3. Now Chabi, Angangcha, Roger and Thompson scored a goal each for the winning team. For the losing team, Bimol scored twice, whereas Jawan scored 1 goal. And in the 4th quarter-final match, Nongchop Pana Sangol Kangjay Lubbi Langjing defeated Kripsha Techa Polo team Naramthong 3-2. Mohindro scored 2 goals and Roshan scored 1 goal for the winning team. From the losing team, Dollar and Dimple scored a goal each. Mairaba Polo Club will play Nongchup Panasagol Kangjay Lup A. Langjing in the first semi-finals tomorrow. The tournament is organized by Nongchup Panasagol Kangjay Lup at Langjing Achauba Sports Complex. In the Manin Hakpam Mangol Jau Thoidingjam and Kulabithu Haubam MMK Memorial Kang tournament match played today, Kongba Laishram Laikai Kangkhud KLLK bid Salukpam 98-77. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Kang Association AMKA at the Community Hall, Kangshang Lane in Kongba Laishram Laikai. In a press release, General Secretary AMKA informs that Langmaithed will play CRC Kundrakpam on the 4th of this month. BK Trophy 2017 Season 8 State Level Open Tennis Ball Cricket Tournament will kick off from the 15th of this month at Bhamon Kampu Cricket Ground. In a press release by Managing Committee Young Cricketers, it informs that the last day of the form submission will be 12th of January. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East rejects bail plea of the President of UNC Gaidon Kamai and Information Secretary SK Stephen sent to 10 days police remand. BDF will cease work from 5th of January, blames government for not providing them their honorarium. And Kongjom Battle Memorial Committee Manipur condemns the Chief Minister Okram Ibobi for concealing files of the controversial date of Kongjom War.